Isho khuluma-ke ukuthi kwenzakalani sendaweni ebusisekile. Sileva system kwenzakalani? Ya banifakitshele emafonini. Ya nami ngifuna ukubona le freedom lela kunature. Ngifuna ukubona le freedom ela kunature. Mina niyiboni nisemafonini. Nina nibhize emafonini. Anibhakangi ngithi. Khuluma nomdala kanjani emafonini? Kanjani emafonini? Mina ngikhuluma nomdala kanjani? Ngikhuluma nomdala makanisebafonini. Mental slavery. System babi. Mental slavery. System in Bambi. System in Bambi. Justice mfana. Yeah. What else do you got to say to the public? Yeah.
That's the sound. That's creepy.
Yeah, that's what's up. You know, it's for the podcast, man. It's for the podcast, man. Natala bangibonile ukuthi ngithi ntwana. Natala bangibonile kuvela mina video kuqala ntwana. Yeah, I'm the presenter. They saw me first, nigga. So ngiyanizwa ukuthi ngithini. Let's voice it to the world, nigga. A meditator or a meditator or a medicator. Fit. Yeah, nyanisa. Ayazogara into iniqinile bafethu. Okay, yeah, good luck with the new season. Yeah, I'll say Nsigayomzi coming through. When is the promotion? Let's get that date. In fact, when is the next promotion coming up? Yeah, when is the next date? When is the next date of the promotion?
Sponsorship.
Somewhere in September. Alright. Hopefully. Okay, guys, in Zwede, but basithembisa hopefully summer September and Nsigayomzi coming soon.
Yes, sir.
You said that thing. Yeah, he's over
Coming
too.
soon. Launching.
Oh, launching. Oh, still launch. Still launch.
Step back.
Okay, cool. Yeah, shoot. Yeah. Yeah.
That's the artist that shout out.
Yeah, Mr. Artist.
Management. Yo.
Okay.